Ladies and gentlemen, Crown Auto would like to thank you all for taking time out of your day to stand with us in recognition and honor of all those that have paid the ultimate sacrifice in service to this nation. We at Crown recognize all those who have served and are currently serving, as well as those who have lost loved ones in service. We commend the demonstrations of courage and strength that you have shown throughout the most difficult of times. We honor our veterans and we're celebrating America's freedom. Thank you.
Take care of your family, and we will take care of your transportation. Stay well and stay safe.